We're going to be finding the derivative using differentiation rules. Our function is the f of x equals e to the x times the sine of x. In order to find the derivative of this, we're going to have to use differentiation rules for products of derivatives. So we're going to be looking at this function in two parts, e to the x being the first part and the sine of x being the second part. So using our product rules for derivatives, we're going to look at the first part, e to the x, and multiply it by the derivative of the second part. The derivative of the sine of x equals cosine x, because if we look at a sine graph here, and wherever the slope is 0, we plot these points right here. Then we look where the slope is positive on this graph and make it positive, negative on the sine graph, make it negative, positive, make it positive, negative, make it negative, positive, make it positive, and so on. And we're going to be getting a cosine graph, and so the derivative of the sine is cosine. So the derivative of the second being cosine, then we're going to add the second part, which is sine, to the derivative of the first part. So we're going to have e to the x, e times the stuff which is inside x, using the chain rule here, and then we're going to multiply that by the derivative of what is in, like, being to the power, so x. But if you take the derivative of x, that comes out just to be 1, so the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So now simplifying this with our first derivative of the second plus second derivative of the first, we're going to get e to the x times the cosine of x plus sine x times e to the x. We have a common term in both parts of the derivative, so I just took that out and made e to the x times the quantity cosine x plus sine of the x, and that's how you get the derivative of our function f of x equals e to the x times sine of x. Thank you.